Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to connect to n8n on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hostinger.com, then click on My Account from the corner. You will land on this login page. Here, fill in your Hostinger account email address and password. After that, click on Login. And you will log into your Hostinger account. After this, go to VPS, and next to your VPS details, click on Manage. Now, from this overview page, you will see this button called Manage App. Click on it, and you will log into your n8n dashboard. Now, you can either create a new workflow from here, or click on the existing workflows if you have ones, or if you already have pre-made workflows added for you by Hostinger. Now let's click next. If you click on create a new workflow, you will land on this page called the canvas. Here you can start creating your automation. With the first step is adding the first node, which is usually the trigger. It can be a chat, for example, a chat trigger. Close this, and later you can connect it to an AI agent. Close this, and of course you can add a chat model that serves as the brain of your AI agent. For example, you can add Gemini. In my case, it is my Gemini account is already linked or already connected. And now if I click on open chat, I can chat with this AI agent that use Google Gemini as the brain. As you can see, hello, how can I help you today? And this is how to log in to n8n on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.